Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing how to make crispy and crunchy banana chips at home. I'm also showing you 3 different ways to slice the raw bananas. With my tips and suggestions, you can easily make crispy, crunchy banana chips at home. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the recipe. To make banana chips, I'm using 6 raw bananas. To know whether the banana is mature enough to make banana chips, I'll just show you how you can get to know whether the banana is mature and raw. I'm just cutting off the tip. You can see that the inside has a subtle pink color. Raw mature banana will have a subtle pinkish color and it will not be white. So this is one thing which you should keep in mind when you are buying bananas to make banana chips. And now I'm going to remove the skin. So for that I'm just making a small mark in the middle and I'm just inserting my thumb and just peeling the skin. So if the banana is mature and raw, the peel will come off very easily. I'll once more show you. Just run a knife on the peel like this and with your thumb peel off the skin. If the banana is raw and mature, the peel will come off easily like this. Banana has a subtle pinkish color. It is not white even though it is raw banana. Into a bowl, I'm adding in some water. Into this, I'm adding in some pink Himalayan salt. Add in 1 tablespoon turmeric powder. Give this a mix. Place the peeled bananas in the water. Add in some more water so that the bananas are soaked in the water. Now let it soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now when you're handling raw bananas or raw plantains, your hand may get slightly discolored. To remove the discoloration, a little bit of coconut oil into my palm. And then I'm just massaging my fingers with the coconut oil. This will help to remove the discoloration from your fingers. While the raw bananas are soaking, I'm making a salt solution to add it to the chips. So into a bowl, I'm adding in 1/4 cup water, about 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. And also note that I prefer to use pink Himalayan salt in my recipes. Mix and dissolve the salt in water and then keep it aside. Okay, it's about 15 minutes since I've soaked the raw bananas. I'm just transferring it to another plate. You can see some discolorations and uneven surface on the banana. So you need to scrub off all this and I'm using coconut husk to scrub. So I'm just dipping the coconut husk in plain water and I'm just scrubbing away the uneven texture. In a way you can say that you're just polishing the raw bananas. The uneven textures, the gumminess, you can remove all this by scrubbing it with coconut husk. See how clean the scrubbed banana is. And this is the banana which has not been scrubbed. So when you scrub it with the coconut husk, you get a smoother and cleaner banana. Okay, now I have washed and rinsed the scrubbed bananas. And now let's slice the bananas. So I'm showing 3 different ways to slice the bananas. The first and the easiest method for me is to use a finger cap and slice it with a knife. Slice it thinly with a knife. I'll just show you how you can do this. The second method is using a slicer or a mandolin. Just slice the bananas. So this one is hand sliced and this one is sliced using a mandolin. And the next method is using a cutting board for those who like to use a cutting board. So you can choose whichever method is comfortable for you. I'm most comfortable slicing with a knife using my finger cap. The raw bananas are sliced and ready to make banana chips. To fry the bananas, I am using my well-seasoned cast iron kadai. So into this, I am adding in some wood-pressed coconut oil. So this is a peppercorn which has fallen into the kadai. I keep whole black peppercorns in the wood pressed oil. Black pepper prevents the coconut oil from getting rancid. The salt solution is also ready. I am keeping it aside near the kadai. Try to use good quality oils when you are making fried items. I prefer to use wood pressed oils in my recipes. Healthy cooking is all about using good quality oils. Hence, I prefer to use wood-pressed oils in my recipes. Wood-pressed oils has more nutrient content and helps to balance the omega-3 and omega-6 ratios in our body. So try to avoid refined oils and switch to wood-pressed oils for a healthy and sustainable lifestyle. I'm just going to check whether the oil is heated. So I'm inserting the banana slice. It is not sizzling, so the oil is not heated. Okay, now the oil is heated. As you can see, the banana. Reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in. Put the flame on high and then give it a mix. I'm frying on high flame. High flame also helps to make the chips crispy and prevent from the oil getting soaked into the chips. Once you feel the banana is crispy, see it is crispy now, then it is time to add in the salt solution. I am adding in 2 teaspoons of the salt solution. And just give it a mix, and once the sizzling sounds stops, you can remove the chips from the oil. Now reduce the flame to the lowest and then add in the next batch. Give it a stir. Once done, remove to a plate. See how crispy the banana chips are. So guys, do try this banana chips at home and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.